In this simple video tutorial, I am going to share with you how to create OmeTv account. Now I assume you have your OmeTv application downloaded already. Simply head to it. There are 4 options to use when opening up an account on OmeTv. You can open up using your Apple account, Facebook account, Google or VKontakte account. The by far easier option on both iPhone and Android is to use the Google option. So you just have to head to continue with Google. You will then choose any Google account you want to link with OmeTv. You want to enter your Google account password to proceed. Now make sure to accept the OmeTv terms of service and then scroll to tap on Continue. Now here, go ahead and choose your gender. It's either male or female. Then proceed by entering your age. And once everything is set, tap on Create Profile. Your OmeTv account will be created successfully. Well, that's how easy it is to create OmeTv account. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.